So why is it necessary to get out of your head and into your heart? It's a very good question. Again, it's a question of identification. How does one identify self? If you are this massive, all-powerful being who can, in an instant, determine direction, interest, and how to play the moment, how to live in the moment, that's one place. But here, life is very focused. We find it extremely intense. We find ourselves overwhelmed and completely engaged at almost all times. I mean, everyone wants a vacation. Everyone wants to spend time in quiet. People go to retreats. They need to get away from the intensity, from the focus, from the overwhelming nature of human life. The challenge has been that this being, who we truly are, has made the mistake here of identifying with that who we are not. We have essentially, as I've mentioned, the computer. We have seen ourselves as the computer, as the hard drive in the computer, as the programs that run in that computer. And yet, who's the one that pushes the buttons? That's the direction we want to be looking in. Who is the one that is overseeing everything that happens here? So the world is very much determined by intellectual pursuits. As we all know, if you're intellectual in the Western world, you do very well. If you have a PhD, you do well. If you're educated according to the systems of the world, you get a black board, you get a mortar board and a black cloak. And you're respected for being intellectual. And so if you perceive yourself as that's what you are, then you're identifying yourself as that. The challenge is that people think that's where the answer is. So if you're in the computer attempting to decide what direction to go next, and you're not recognizing that there is actually someone, some being, another part of self, that presses the buttons, then you can actually end up getting more confused. The heart is the place. And by heart I don't mean emotions, I mean your heart, the wisdom, the feelings, the delicate subtleties, those things which in the moment we know are real, the place we actually know from, the place of our being. This is how we're set up. We're set up to interact with the larger self through our heart. So if we attempt to do that which is undoable using an instrument which was never designed for that purpose, meaning the intellect, we will run ourselves around in circles. And that's where we see the world today, running around in circles, a dog chasing its own tail. We as the dogs need to stop, pant for a while, relax, and enter into the heart space. When we get there, we know what it means. When we're searching for it, we're often confused. So that's the direction. Spirit, consciousness, never works to overwhelm us, merely to lead and guide us to what the proper place of being is. So when we start to enter into the heart space, that's when we begin to perceive the truth of self, and where we come in connection with the nature of the being who we truly are.